friends and favorite shoppers, welcome back to my channel. Today I have June's mystery box from Uncommon James. So I'm really excited to see what the second month of the mystery box brings. I again ordered both silver and gold. It did sell out. I think the silver sold out fairly quickly. Gold was still available on the first day, but they did increase the price. So the first month was only $19 for either silver or gold. And this month it went up to $25. So you are still getting an item valued at over $45. So it is still a really good deal. But it was a little surprising to go on the website and purchase it and see the increase. But I did have a coupon that I was able to use. So it still balanced out a little bit. So if you're not familiar, I do have May's mystery unboxing on my channel, but Uncommon James is the brand by Kristen Cavallari from the Hills in Laguna Beach. And it's mostly jewelry and home goods. And so she started this mystery box, and it started last month in May, and it's expected to go through October. Well, they'll be changing the items that you get each month. So I just got it. The mailman dropped it off maybe 20 minutes ago, so I wanted to film this as soon as possible. So let's jump right in. So again, I ordered both silver and gold, and it is jewelry that you're receiving in the mystery box. So I like to order both just to see what I get. I hope they don't end up sending the same item just in each silver and gold, but let's see what we have. So they do, and this happened last month, only send one box, and it should have both items within that box. So it is a pretty nice hardcover case. You open it up, you have, again, this little pamphlet that goes over the brand, a little note from Kristen Cavallari, and then the items are wrapped in some tissue paper here. So I have two smaller pouches. Hopefully they're not the same item, but they're like a velvety pouch, and they have the logo UJ on the cover. So they're about the same size, so I'm just gonna open one. I don't know what either of them are, so it's a surprise to both of us. Like for my silver item, I did get a pair of earrings, and they look like they're a little hoop with some sort of kind of spike hanging off. They retail for $62, so again, $25 per mystery item, valued at over $45. So here we have an item valued at $62. So this is what we have here. I'm gonna go ahead and put them on so you can kind of see what they look like while you're wearing them. All right, so I have put them on. I have to say, so far, this is feels smaller than the items we got last month, for the items again being only $19 last month. So these were $25, so they're much smaller. I really like them still, don't get me wrong. It's just comparing the type of items we got and the cost. So I would say these are definitely in like everyday wear. They're not too heavy. They're actually very, very light. The earrings I got last month were quite heavy, the gold earrings I got. So very light, anyone could wear them. They were just a hoop and a clasp in the back, and then you have this kind of spike hanging down. So what? All right, so here is my second pouch. We are about to find out what the gold item is. Again, much smaller type of item I'm seeing. The care card that you get with each item, and I do have another pair of earrings, only valued at $52. So a little disappointed just because I feel like they got you hooked with the price and the items. In the first month, $19, and the pair of earrings I got were valued at $72. So to get two pairs of earrings, and both with a lower retail cost for costing me more. So these are the gold earrings. It looks like they have a little accent on the front side of them. So I am gonna take these off, slip the gold ones on so you can see what they look like. Very dainty, and I'm curious what the following months will bring. All right, so I went to go put them on, and this is a different clasp than I've ever had. So first of all, I don't know if you can see, there's a little accent there, but the clasp, it's not the normal. It slides into each other. It's almost, it just clicks right in place. So I'm gonna go ahead and slip them on, but I just wanted to show you how different it is. It kind of creates a more cohesive piece of jewelry. I could see why this clasp would be on here, just different. So I'm gonna slip them on. All right, so I have the gold earrings on now. Very mild, simple. They're beautiful, but I don't know if I myself would have purchased them even for $25. I feel like you could go to Kohl's and get a pair of Lauren Conrad earrings for like $13 and they'd be about the same. So overall, I would say that I was definitely more impressed with the first box last month, May. I think they did a really good job of getting you kind of hooked with the items you'll get. It was almost like I was excited because they were really great items, like a statement piece, the gold earrings I had. The necklace was very simple. So I could see it felt more balanced where I got more of a statement piece and a simple piece. This, I feel like they're both very simple and they're both earrings. I would have liked to have received a necklace and earrings, but you know, it is what it is. I probably will order another month, see what they do. If I feel a little bit like I do now, I may not continue ordering. But I think, you know, for $25, you're still getting a good deal. These earrings, again, that I'm wearing were $52. The silver ones with the spike that I first tried on, those were $62. So, which is kind of surprising, that the first gold earrings I got in May were $72 and there was much more to them for only $10 more retail than these. It's just such a difference. Actually, I have them right here. So let me show you the comparison of May's earrings compared to these. So here we have the gold earrings from my May mystery box. Really cute. You put them on and they don't seem as dramatic as what they look like just kind of holding them here. So here you have for $19, $72 retail value compared to this month's box where we paid $25, and there you have the difference. So think what you will. I still, you know, like the brand. I think the designs are really cute, simple, chic. And again, I'll try July's box. I recommend going right on the website July 1st and ordering them if you're interested in trying this, because they do sell out very quickly. Because I had a friend who went to purchase them at like 6 o'clock on June 1st and the silver was already sold out. So all right, so I have given you my first impressions, my thoughts on the mystery box, Uncommon James products as a whole. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it interesting. And I also hope that you'll come back for the next month unboxing and also check out some of my other videos. I am a big fan of Shein, so I do a lot of Shein try-on hauls, as well as Bath & Body Works, and then some others that may be coming up here soon. So be sure to subscribe to be alerted to any new videos that I post, and feel free to comment below. But thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.